how to log in for ChatGPT. So if you want to log in for ChatGPT, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for ChatGPT. And after searching, here you will have this ChatGPT right on the first search. You can simply go for the login page, which is here login. And now you can log into your account or you can sign up to your account if you don't have an account. But I already have an account and I want to log in. So simply click on login. And here you can continue with your Google or your Microsoft account, or you can also continue with your Apple. But I'll be entering my email address and then click on continue. And now you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you don't have an account, then you can also go for sign up from here. So if you remember, then simply enter your password and then click on continue. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.